Did you know it's already 5 years ago that the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral was ravaged by a devastating fire? As the 2024 Olympics of Paris approaches this summer, the restoration of the most famous church in the world is almost completed. Paris aims to showcase the marvel of this architectural gem to the world once more. But how did the fire happen? How the restoration is going? And who pays for all of this? Because it ain't cheap. Join us in this video, as are we investigating all these questions. It was on April 15th, 2019, when the world watched, live on television, how the Notre Dame Cathedral caught fire. We all remember the image of the spire that collapsed in the flames and how it destroyed almost the entire roof. The blaze, which raged for hours, left the historic structure in a horrible state. As the smoke cleared, the full extent of the damage became clear, and the monumental task of restoring Notre Dame to its former glory began. The fire at Notre Dame struck a chord with people across the globe, who mourned the partial loss of this architectural and cultural icon. Donations poured in, almost directly, from around the world, as individuals and organizations pledged their support for the restoration efforts. The French government set an ambitious deadline to reopen the cathedral to the public by the summer of 2024, in time for the Paris Olympics. The proud French wanted to show their resilience and determination to this unfortunate event. In the heart of Paris, a remarkable transformation is underway as cutting-edge technology breathes new life into the fire-ravaged Notre Dame Cathedral. The restoration process has become a showcase of innovation, where traditional craftsmanship seamlessly blends with the latest innovations in engineering and construction. At the forefront of this monumental endeavor are the state-of-the-art 3D scanning and modeling techniques that have become indispensable tools in the hands of the skilled craftsmen and engineers tasked with resurrecting this architectural marvel. The details of Notre Dame's Gothic architecture, once lost to the flames, are now being meticulously captured and recreated through the use of high-precision laser scanners. These sophisticated devices, capable of capturing millions of data points, create a virtual blueprint of the cathedral's every nook and cranny. The resulting digital model serves as a roadmap for the restoration team, enabling them to navigate the complexities of the reconstruction process with unparalleled accuracy and precision. But the technology's role extends far beyond mere measurement and documentation. It has become a catalyst for innovation, allowing the craftspeople to experiment with new materials and techniques that promise to enhance the cathedral's resilience and longevity. From the development of fire-resistant timber to the use of advanced composites in the reconstruction of the iconic spire, the restoration of Notre Dame has become a testament to the power of science and technology in preserving our cultural heritage. Throughout France, there are more than 1,000 oak trees specially selected to be taken down for the Notre Dame. As the work progresses, the site has become a hive of activity, with experts from various disciplines collaborating to bring the cathedral back to its former glory. In the workshops scattered throughout France, master artisans employ centuries-old techniques alongside cutting-edge tools, ensuring that the restored elements maintain their historical authenticity while benefiting from the latest advancements in materials science. The significance of these technologies cannot be overstated, as they not only facilitate the restoration process, but also serve as a means of safeguarding the cathedral for generations to come. By creating a comprehensive digital archive of Notre Dame's every detail, the restoration team is essentially building a virtual time capsule that will allow future generations to study and appreciate this architectural gem in ways never before possible. As the world watches the rebirth of Notre Dame unfold, the innovative technologies at play have become a source of fascination and inspiration. The seamless integration of tradition and innovation serves as a powerful reminder of the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity and preserve the treasures of our shared history. But the story of Notre Dame's restoration is far from over, and the question remains, how will the project be funded, and who are the unsung heroes behind this monumental undertaking? As the Notre Dame Cathedral rises from the ashes, the question of financing its rebirth looms large. With an estimated cost of $767 million, the restoration project has garnered global attention and an outpouring of support. Donations from around the world have poured in, amounting to a staggering $928 million, a testament to the cathedral's profound significance in the hearts and minds of people across continents. France's super-rich have pledged to donate millions, and among the donors are LVMH Chairman and CEO Bernard Arnault, Kering founder François-Henri Pinault, and the Bettencourt-Meyers family, which controls L'Oréal. Also, Apple CEO Tim Cook said his company would also donate, but didn't give a specific amount. As the donations continue to flow, the question of how to allocate the excess funds has become a topic of discussion. Plans are underway to establish a new museum dedicated to Notre Dame and its restoration, a space where visitors can immerse themselves in the cathedral's story and witness the incredible journey of its rebirth. The museum will serve as a testament to the power of human perseverance and the enduring legacy of this architectural marvel. But the financial implications of Notre Dame's restoration extend far beyond the cathedral itself. The project has become a catalyst for economic growth, with the involvement of countless businesses and individuals across France. From the quarries supplying the stone to the workshops crafting the intricate details, the restoration has created a ripple effect of opportunity and revival. As the world watches the progress of Notre Dame's restoration, the cathedral's rebirth has become a symbol of hope and resilience in the face of adversity. Amidst the triumphs and milestones, the restoration has not been without its challenges. The global pandemic has cast its shadow over the project, causing delays and disruptions. The loss of key figures, such as the late French general Jean-Louis Georgelin, has left a void in the leadership of the restoration efforts. But even in the face of these obstacles, the work continues, driven by the unwavering commitment of those involved and the support of people around the world. The restoration of Notre Dame is not merely a construction project. It is a testament of the French people to the resilience of the human spirit and the power of collective endeavor. As the cathedral's rebirth unfolds, its role in the larger context of Paris's renewal comes into focus. With the city gearing up to host the 2024 Olympics, Notre Dame's restoration serves as a beacon of pride and a symbol of the city's enduring spirit. As the countdown to the 2024 Olympics ticks away, the Notre Dame Cathedral's restoration has become a race against time. The President of France and the Mayor of Paris wants to show the world the reborn Notre Dame. And as it is a race against the clock, the team increased the team to almost 1,000 workers daily, on site and in workshops across France. But the Notre Dame is getting more and more back in its glorious state. The scaffolding is being removed in phases, and the grand organ, stained glass windows, and wrought iron railings have undergone restoration. Key structural elements like vaults and buttress walls have been repaired or replaced, and the timber framework for the nave and choir is being prepared in workshops for installation. The reconstruction of the iconic spire has also commenced. Overall, the progress report indicates great advancement towards the cathedral's complete restoration, and it will be ready on time. And when it's ready, visitors to the Olympics will be greeted by a cathedral that embodies the spirit of Paris itself, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that has been reborn through the tireless efforts of those who have dedicated themselves to its restoration. It is a testament to the unbreakable bond between the city and its most iconic landmark.